let us look into the question. The question says that we have to match the following, and there are two columns given to us, column first and column second. Now there are four entities or four terminologies that are given, और हमें इन्हें closely related terms से या description से इनको match करना है. Okay, so the key concept is central dogma. Now what we see that in the case of central dogma, when DNA forms DNA, it is called as replication. When DNA facilitate in the formation of RNA, that process is called as transcription. And when RNA forms protein, in that case, it is called as translation. Now, there is one more process that when RNA forms DNA, in that case, it is called as reverse transcription. It generally happens in the case of viruses. So, based on this, we will be discussing several processes. Based on that, we will be able to solve these questions or terminologies. When we talk about AUG, the initiation site methionine is coded by AUG, which is 5' to 3'. So this will be matched with this fourth option, RNA with intron and exon. Now, in the case of processes that takes place in the nucleus itself, the DNA replication takes place in the nucleus itself. Apart from that, the formation of hnRNA from DNA, hnRNA, which consists of intron and which also consists of exon, that is coding and नॉन कोडिंग रीजन इसमें दोनों ही होता है. और hnRNA आगे मॉडिफाई होके स्प्लाइसिंग इसकी होती है एंड मॉडिफिकेशंस होते हैं जिसके थ्रू ये बाद में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है mRNA में और उसके बाद ये प्रोटीन को कोड कर पाता है. तो hnRNA एक रॉ फॉर्म है mRNA का. So RNA with intron and exon, they are hnRNA. जीन की बात करें, they are segment of DNA, and न्यूक्लियोसोम्स में प्रेजेंट होते हैं क्रोमैटिन. Thus we can easily match it. A was for 4, B 3, B was for hnRNA, and C was for first segment of DNA, D was for nucleosome, that was for chromatin. Thus we may conclude that the final option that is correct is option A is absolutely correct. Hope you all understood. All the best.